3, 2, 1, crescendo.
Some nice shots there as time expires. 5 in for the Red Alliance. Aces high. Terrific autonomous. They can go under the stage 2. Blue only had 1. Let's see how the amp action goes. Right now, we've got no scoring in the amp, but the amp is key thing there. Cooperation can be achieved in the amp, and yes, it does drop your score needed for the melody from 18 to 15. But there's one other subtle thing that really matters for cooperation. In the final ranking, if 2 teams are tied in the ranking score, cooperation points are the tiebreaker. Wilby 8889 has a note. They're headed over to the speaker. I think they might try to shoot that. 176 doing it, but Wilby seems like that note is sort of stuck in their craw. For the blue side, 1991 is in the middle of the field. 36-34 is in dangerous territory on the other side of the field. Spark City should be careful over there. That could cause some troubles, but it also seems like they might have a note in their robot. And if that is the case and they cannot dislodge it, then they're going to be stuck and they won't be able to pick up any other notes. You cannot control more than 1 note at a time on the field. Wilby, 88-89, Project W scoring in the speaker. 61-11 now in favor of red. 176 pushing 1991 out of the way. Aces high, 176 headed up, shooting in the speaker, up and in. We have some amps potentially happening. Red Alliance needs 1 more with 30 seconds left. They could amplify, but they're kind of ahead, so they might not need to. Maybe they're going to think about getting up on stage, as we see happening with 7869, the Fun Gang. They are now getting ready to be on stage to climb up and get their points for their alliance. It'd be 3 points if they can climb up. 88-89 will be. They're reaching up, trying to climb up on stage. We'll see if that'll become a thing. It's an important skill some alliances are looking for and hoping for. With 3, 2, 1 left, Aces high is up. We have a spotlight. Potentially, that will final score of 86-14. That is the high score for the event. Now, of course, some people will be conditional about it because 17 of those points came in penalties against the Blue Alliance. You've got to watch that defense, as we saw in the game